Hey guys, we are at the lodge at Pine Creek this morning. This is in Baytown and we are installing signage, but I wanted you to see this incredible property. It's a senior care property, and it also features independent living, assisted living, and memory care, as well as cottages. So these are some of the cottages you can kind of see there. Da, 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 da. They're really nice around this pond, but I'm going to take you around the property and just show you a few things. We are here installing lots of signage. They have a lot, but this is our final installation. But I want to see how this is all put together here. So you see we just installed the garage unit numbers, the building numbers here. There's door numbers also there on the cottages. And then that is the 4-story independent living building there. And then this is over here, the single-story assisted living memory care. And then the cottages are back here around the pond. So it's pretty cool, very interesting. We're doing, I think, 5 of these properties so far in different cities. I know that sun is probably in your face there. Hold on, let me get a better angle. But I'm going to walk you through just really quickly, just to show you kind of the property and what we're doing for Happy Senior Living. So get out of the sun so that's not in your eyes. Okay, so this is actually one of our signs there. Dumpster rules. So of course, every property needs one of those. And then I'm going to walk you through. So we're going in between right now. Both properties are both buildings, but it is, it actually is, again, 3 different components here. So you'll be able to see different components, and they're under construction still, so there's a lot of noise, but hopefully you'll be able to kind of see what's going on as I travel and walk through here. So we're going to walk through the independent living side is on the left, and on my right is the memory care. And it's really nice little courtyard. Like I said, power washing that over there, so it's kind of loud. So let's just keep walking. I hope you see this really cool thing. They've got a clock tower in the middle of the property. It's pretty sweet. Here we go. Oh, see one of these guys here. This is some of our interior signage. I'll walk through this a little bit so you can see it. This is the independent living building, and you can see they've got, it's really nice. Little kitchen area and dining room, really cool. So, but I'm gonna kind of walk through some of this so you can just kind of see it. I think it's a great concept with 3 components here at this one property. And here is the courtyard. That is right outside the independent living building. You can see, really nice. They've got fountains and stuff back here. But you're going to see the clock tower, if I can get over here to it. There it is. There it is. All right, and that's the memory care assisted living over there. But they share this really nice courtyard. And let's see. I'm just going to show you around. Okay. We're still moving. We're walking, we're walking, we're walking. If you want to see more about what we do, go to CSEE RobinsonCreative.com and you can see kind of a whole host of things. We do everything. We do signage and branding and logos and brochures and websites and all kinds of things, and mainly for the multifamily industry. So we specialize in that. But and we do all kinds of properties. I mean, we just completed a student property in San Marcos. We completed an independent living community in Myrtle Beach recently. We've got jobs all over the country, but it's pretty cool. I want you to see some of the things that we do. But we are finishing up this installation today. We have installed pretty much all the signs. There's just a few things that we're waiting on, and they've already got their CO for the the assisted living building, and we are finishing up signs so they can get their CO for the independent living building. But check this out. That's our sign for our office hours here. And then I'll walk you over here to more signs that we've just completed and installed today, actually, the future resident parking signs. So it's pretty cool. We created a really nice look for these communities. We had to create a brand design for all the properties that would work. And so we did this really nice high pressure laminate wood look here to their signs, because they had so many signs. We tried to keep everything in a tight budget, but you can kind of see there. And then I'm going to walk you over here to also the monument and front of the property, so you can kind of see that as well. Get over here. Trying to get the sun out of your face. All right, yeah, but it's really a nice property. And this continual brand we started here, and we'll continue through all 5 properties, the same look, the same feel, so that you get a kind of a national brand feel on all their communities, and they have this signature kind of feel to their properties with the brand. Okay. So you see the property behind me. That is this is Living Memory Care. So you can kind of get some sort of a feel here. And this is actually the directional. We just installed this today. So you kind of see, it gives the traffic a direction of where everything is here. One of our also gate signs. And they've got this monument here. Again, everything is still under construction. And then here is the large sign that is between the gates. So you can see that. All right. Anyway, so that's about it. I just wanted to come online and show you guys what we're doing here at the lodge at Pine Creek, just so you can kind of see what we do at Robinson, and you can kind of see some of the signs that we're doing. But it's been fun. I love this weather. Isn't this weather great? It's fall. I love it. Anyway, it's finally here. I hope it stays. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll see you soon. And more to come from everything we do here at Robinson.